Hello all. So I need to change out the air filter on this 2006 Kia Spectra. So I thought I'd do a video on it in case it might help somebody. And this is where the air filter is located at. It's right here inside this box. And you're going to need a new air filter. I'll put all the links in the description for what I'm using. You can't get them cheaper online if you have time to wait. But so you're going to need the air filter, and we need to pop this off. Sometimes it comes apart right here. It might not for you. But if it doesn't, you can just push it to the side. But basically, you got some clips right here. So we got one clip here, pops off here, and this back just have this thing where you just slide it out. And if you can, set it to the side. If it comes apart, you can just put it back together. Sometimes it comes apart right here. But this is the filter down in here. And right here on the side, they got a little easy kind of thing where you can just pop it up. And there's the old filter right there, and it's pretty dirty. Get this new one out of the box. Okay, you can see this old filter, how dirty that got, and how clean this one is. So we're gonna put this in, and it's pretty simple. Just gonna pop it in here. Make sure it sits in there good all the way around. And then we're gonna put this back together. Like I said, if it pops apart right here, just put it back together. It may or may not for you. Onto the back here, we're going to slide that clip in first, and I'm going to push it down on there and pop these clips on, and that's it. So that's basically it. That's how you change out the intake air filter on a 2006 Kia Spectra. If you have any questions, ask me. Like I said, I'll put all the links in the description.